you getting a burst of blue smoke from your exhaust when you push the throttle after a period of idling? Are you getting tired of losing expensive oil from your engine? Have you been quoted thousands to have your valve seals replaced by a garage? Forté Seal Conditioner may be your answer. Here's what I advise all my customers and why. So, first, here's a simplified version of what's causing your issues. First, the rubber on your valve seals has hardened over time and slightly expanded. Second, as your engine gets hot, your oil gets thinner and is then able to leak past the valve seals and into the combustion chamber. When you press the throttle, it's then burnt off and causes a burst of bluish smoke from the exhaust system. Now, if we just add Forté Seal Conditioner to the oil, it could leak out before it has time to work. So here at BMW Tool Rental, we suggest adding a bottle of Forté Oil Fortifier first. This will safely keep the oil thicker while your engine is hot, thus slowing or stopping the oil leak long enough for the Forté Seal Conditioner to work. Then add 1 bottle of Forté Seal Conditioner if your engine is under 2 litres, or add 2 bottles of Forté Seal Conditioner if your engine is 2 litres or over. Forté Seal Conditioner is the only product that will soften the rubber on your seals once they've gone hard, bringing them back to life and saving you thousands in having them replaced. The seal conditioner normally takes about 2 months to work, but you should start seeing improvements in both the reduction of the smoking and oil loss quickly. Obviously, the longer the seal conditioner is in contact with your seals, the better. Order yours now at www.bmwtoolrental.co.uk.